Ew! What is that smell? It smells so bad in here. Happy, it smells really bad in here and I can't take it anymore. Where is it coming from? Ooh. Happy? Whoa, I'm gonna tell you something, okay? But promise not to panic. I've got like so many germs on you right now. But don't worry, don't worry. I think we can fix it. Okay, try to calm down. It's fine. I think that we can fix this. We'll think of a solution together. Okay, just calm down. Whoa, it looks really bad. There's so many bacteria and germs. What? Me? I also have germs on me? Oh no! Where did all these bacteria and germs come from? Ooh, it smells really bad. How did this happen? Let's think. What did we do today? Well, we went to the park today and we got on the slides, went to the swings and played. And we petted a few animals, but when we came home, we didn't clean up. We had to wash ourselves. Oh no. Well, I think that we should go and wash up. Guys, me and Happy here, when we spent the time outside, we forgot to wash our hands and take a shower. Okay, well, when these things happen, I think it's all right because there's always a solution. Now, we really have to go wash our hands and I think we should shower too. And we really need to take these clothes off and get new ones. Oh no. Well, we should really go wash up. And guys, did you know that all the bacteria and germs and all the dirty stuff, they are really small actually. And the way that people can see it, well, there are some students and scientists who can see the germs with a big microscope. That way, we can see how the germs look like. And they look like something like this. See, they're really happy here because they're being in all dirt and all the dirty stuff. And they really love making people sick. So, germs and bacteria are not nice people at all. Happy, what do you think that all these germs and bacteria don't like? We know they like dirty things and but what do they don't like? Let's think. Well, I think that they like the opposite of dirty things. Yeah, germs and bacteria don't like clean things, like soap and water and hand sanitizers and all the clean products that help us keep healthy. So, what can we do to stop all these germs and bacteria into getting with us? Well, we can, whenever we go outside and play, when we come home, we need to wash our hands really, really good with lots and lots of water. And we need to wash our hair with shampoo and lots of water as well. And we need to change our clothes when they get dirty and put them in the laundry. And that way, the germs and bacteria will never get to us. So that way, we can always be clean and not dirty like this. Oh, Happy? I just thought of something as well. Remember the time that you had a really bad stomach ache and you were in a lot of pain? Do you know why that is? It is because you wanted to eat an apple, but you didn't wash it, did you? So, see, guys, whenever you want a little food or a snack to eat, like an apple, you should always wash it first and make sure that it's clean so that you don't end up like Happy. So, guys, please be careful with these things, okay? Whoa, I really like being clean. It's so much better, isn't it? We smell more nice and we look cleaner. And we're a lot more healthy. Oh, hey guys! Me and Happy here, we were just talking about how nice we smell now and how nice we look. We washed up and we changed our clothes. And now we are far away from the germs and bacteria. So guys, let's do all of these things and stay healthy and say goodbye to all the bad bacteria and germs. So, me and Happy here will see you guys soon. We hope you learned and be careful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you guys. Goodbye.